Hey guys, I'm Stacy with remotecontrols.com. Today we're going to talk about the brand new Samsung remote control. It's a smart TV remote control. It has your voice commands, it has your smart features on the front, it has a pointer feature, and it's powered by solar. So it doesn't take regular batteries, it either powers by natural light or you can also charge it by USB. You can purchase this remote control today. It's in stock. Go to remotecontrols.com, order it online. Make sure that you double check that your TV model number is compatible with this remote control. It's brand new for 2021. If you'd rather have the standard Samsung remote control for your TV model number, it will be available on that same product page, but just remember it won't have voice command, pointer, and it will be powered by batteries. Buy it today, it's in stock, remotecontrols.com. We give you a money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If you have any questions, you can send us an email right on our website. Contact us page is there. Shoot us a question, email, we're happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching the video. Talk to you soon.